Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mad Dog Fan Madison ASMR. Sorry for my horrible voice. I am sick. Cause yeah, I don't know. I'm sick. So yeah, I feel horrible. But I decided to make a video because I don't feel good and I'm not allowed to go to school. So if I'm sick. So today we're gonna be trying to make butter slime. Ugh. So don't mind my horrible voice. So yeah. So and I'm watching something. Uh, so yeah, shout out to Slimatory because I've been watching them on YouTube. They're like a slime people. Um, because yeah, that's where I got this idea of making butter slime with clay because I have clay and I have clay and I have slime and I have lotion to make the clay soft. Oh, well, let's do that. And don't worry, I do not have COVID. I'm just really sick. So, yeah. And I'm watching them right now. I don't know, something in the background because my sister is watching a horror show. I love horror movies, but not in the mood for horror movies. So I'm going to use this slime. Softened it up a little bit, but yeah. My sister is sick too. My sister and me are sick, and I don't want to get my mom and dad sick. So, trying to stay away from them, but I can't. You know what I mean? Like I can't stay away from them. Stay away from them. They get me food. Yeah. If any of my friends are watching, that I know from school, that's why I did not come today because I'm sick. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit because I don't know. I never made butter slime before, but we're gonna see. Yeah, if you hear something in the background, it's either my show or my sister's show. Let's add a little bit of lotion to soften this one up. Okay. What my sister's watching, I'm good. I have to catch up anyway because I'm behind. Because we were watching it together, but then I fell asleep, so I'm behind in the show right now. So I have to catch up. But the show is called Light as a Feather. So, yeah. It's a horror show. Yeah. Okay, I think if I add some lotion and clay into this, it'll soften it up too. But yeah. Okay. So let's do this. I'm thinking, so I have white clay, I have blue clay. Ugh. I think I'm gonna add the blue to make it a light blue. I might add some white too. So right now it's a little hard. That's what I smell. Well, I can't smell, so because I have a stuffy nose. But Bob, where am I? I always like get all the air out because I hate having air in it. Oh God, that's not enough clay. What am I thinking? So I'm gonna soften up the clay first. Yeah, enough clay, I think. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. So yeah, let's soften up this clay. Let's add a lot of lotion into it because lotion softens up. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm not sure how to do this. I've never It's already softening up. So, yeah. I'm just softening up the clay right now. All I use is just any lotion, just lotion and all, lotion. And then yeah, I guess that's it. I just use lotion to soften things up like slime and clay. And yeah, it really helps if you have like a hard slime. Yeah, that definitely did the job. Look at this clay now. It's like amazing. Like, whoa. It technically is butter slime already without the slime because all you have to do is add the lotion. But I'm gonna mix it. Okay. I'm trying to get all the lotion off me by playing with the slime. That's fine. Okay. So now let's just, I guess, add the clay into the slime. It's actually a little over, like I put too much lotion in it, I think, because now it's all like sticky, I think, or whatever. But yeah, super soft and stretchy. Well, I'm adding it now, so this is actually my first butter slime I've ever made, so not that I didn't make this one from scratch then, so yes. But I guess this one is the first butter slime I made. Ooh, it turned out into a nice blue, but I think I'm gonna add a little white clay into it because I don't know, I just want the texture to be different. So I'm gonna change, or not the texture, sorry. And the texture, I guess, yeah. The texture and the color to be different. It's this one right now. It is like a pretty color, but I don't want to change it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of my white clay. This one actually, stop moving. Now you guys can't see it, oh my gosh, nothing. Okay, so this one is actually a nice color, but I want it to be lighter because right now it's like this. I don't know what color it is right now, but I don't know what color it is. It's like a blue, green, aqua or turquoise, or aqua, yeah, sorry, aqua, greenish thing. Okay. I need to add some lotion on this too. But yeah. Now this, just how it is actually. I'm gonna see what it does. It's not that stretchy. Oh my gosh, I just like, yeah, okay. I like that. Ugh, I can't. Little lotion. Lotion. Okay. 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 I want to see what texture it is right now for the spreading. Yeah, I put way too much lotion. I need more clay. I'm adding in the white right now, the white clay. Yes. So just added in the white clay. Oh, I feel good. I'm mixing in the white clay. The white clay is harder, I guess. Okay, so I'm adding in the white clay. It's almost mixed in. It is harder to mix in because the clay is like, it's tougher. The clay is tougher, but it's mixed in, I think, a little. Okay, I just mixed in. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I am done. Yay. Now butter slime is known for its like spreading, so let's spread it. Ooh. Okay, that's actually really pretty. Awesome. I think I might add a little paint into it. I'm gonna add more clay, by the way. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more clay. That's it. Then we're going to go get some paint. I'm thinking blue. Yeah, blue paint. Where am I open? And see what it does. Yeah. Alright. So yeah. Let's add in the clay. This is already a nice texture. This is already like a really nice texture, actually. So we just got back from Michigan, Petoskey, from my Grammy's funeral because she died, or she passed away and stuff. So we just got back from Michigan, and well, then when we were heading back to South Carolina, that's right, I used to live in Michigan, but then we moved to South Carolina. So we moved to South Carolina from Michigan, and my grandma passed away. Grammy passed away, so we had to go back up to Michigan and have her funeral. Then we left for South Carolina again. Oh, we didn't move up to Michigan. I'm in South Carolina right now. But keeping the blinds up. Okay, so when we headed back to South Carolina, from our little tiny week trip to Michigan, I really felt sick, and my sister actually, the night before that or something, I don't know, she felt like really crappy and very sick, and then I think I got it from my sister. I don't know what happened, but then I felt really bad and sick. So, and then we got back to South Carolina, and I just felt sick. Yeah. Let's do the spreading. That doesn't stick to me anymore. I'm gonna go grab some paint. And this actually, I started out with a tiny bit of slime, and it turned into this. That's pretty nice. Ooh. Okay. Poke test. poke test. It's like butter slime. And then now for the swirl. Ooh, I haven't done a swirl in a while. Ready? Swirl, crunch. Sort of crunchy. Okay. Okay. Down. Bread. Okay. I will be back. Okay. I'll be back because, oh yeah, I'll just be back. Okay. Be right back. What is that? Ooh, just that. But yeah, I'll be back. This is actually really nice food. I'm gonna go see if we have any food coloring, but I don't think we do. But I will see if we do. Which I'm pretty sure we don't. But, ugh. Yeah, a little bit sticky. Yes. I'll go see if we have any more food coloring. But pretty sure we don't. Yes. Alright, bye. Alright, I'm back. Don't have any food coloring. Asked my mom and dad. We do not have any food coloring, so I guess I'm gonna have to use paint. I don't know. Might use paint. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go get some paint. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some paint. I'm gonna go get some paint. Okay. Yeah, I'll be back. Where's the paint? Okay. So I got some pink and purple paint, and I think I'm gonna make a slime smoothie. Yeah, slime smoothie. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna make a slime smoothie. My mob. Oh, I can't say mob. Oh, it sounds like I'm saying Bob, but really I'm saying mob. So my mom just left to get some groceries for us, me and my sister. Just asked my dad if he had any food coloring. We don't. I have to separate the colors. Yeah. This is my first time doing this too. This is my first time making butter slime, and this is my first time making slime smoothie. So fun. Is that enough? I don't know. Never made this before, so I would not know. I colored slime before. Never made a slime smoothie. Ooh, this could be a slime smoothie just already. But we're gonna make a pink and purple slime smoothie. Ooh, this is a nice color, but I think I'm gonna go for the darker one. Darker pink. Okay. Yeah. I only watched one episode of Light as a Feather. My sister's on 9 episodes. No wonder she like stayed up all night watching it. It's a binge-worthy show, I guess. It's like one of those shows where I get like sucked in and I just don't want to stop watching it. I actually had a few of those shows. This is like a really pretty color. I need to add some activator into this. But I try to pick out some colors that go good together. Like when this is slime I turned it into. This is slime I had. Slime I turned it into. And now we gotta turn it into this. So just know, this is the slime I had. Right there. I'm using my old paints because I don't want to waste the new ones that we just got for painting. I'm using our old ones. Whoa. Stuck. Try not to get it on me. Ooh, this is a pretty purple. I'm not gonna change it. I don't think I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'm not gonna change this purple. It's a pretty purple. Whoa. Okay. So I turned it into both this one and this one. Now let's make a slime smoothie. Let's find a container to put this in. Ugh. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. Okay guys, this is really pretty. Ta-da! Oh man, I already have a slime that's purple, but I can change the color. It's actually turning into a really big slime. I did not know that. Whoa. Yay. I already have a slime, not a butter slime, but a slime. that is this color, and my slime that I just made right now is this color. So I'm gonna change my color into, I don't know what color I should change it in. Okay. I'm gonna look at our paints we have, but not our old new one. I don't know. I'm gonna go look at some of the paints, but this is one right now. I'm gonna change it into another color. So yeah, I'm gonna see what color we have. I'll be back. So yeah. I couldn't find a color. I didn't know what color to choose, but I have this glow paint that I bought with my own money. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna see if it glows. And I don't have a yellow slime, so. So I'm gonna see if the purple ruined it or it's the slime just ruined it. But I'm gonna see if the paint will change its color, and we need more. Well, it's my paint. I bought it with my own money. Just a tiny bit. Mix it before you put it in. Okay. Ooh, look at this. It's not turning yellow, and I understand that because I mean it's purple. So I think I'm gonna turn it into a red. A red will do just fine. Yeah, I'll turn it into a red. And if not, I guess this is fine. A lot because this stuff goes a long way. I just added a tiny bit because I know this stuff goes a long way. And I think the purple and red will make like this pink. At least that's what I hope. What my brain told me. Too red, too red. The purple will turn it into a pink. Or just red, which is fine. So I went with my brain. My brain was right. It is a pink. It's still not yellow, and it's still close to the one I already have, but you know what? It's fine. It's a butter slime. So, that was a success. I love butter slime now. So I always thought butter slime was like, oh no, like no cracks and you can't poke it. But then actually, I never felt butter slime before. But really, butter slime is amazing. comment down below what slime I should make next. Yeah, tell me what slime I should make next. Next I'll make it. So yeah. It's about right, I'm sick though, but tell me what slime I should make next. Just took some of that, like, I don't know what it's called, but my mom gave me some, like, that's actually really pretty. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Yeah, my mom gave me, like, some of this stuff. Like, it's like ibuprofen, but not. Okay. So I'm done with my slime. And then this really pretty. Wait. Ooh, I have some ASMR for you. Okay. Let me just power off my computer real quick. Okay. I'm gonna type in my keyboard. And I just thought that was cool. Here's the slime I made. It is a butter slime. And here's the pokes. And here is the, I haven't done a bubble test yet. Or like, yeah, a bubble test. It doesn't really make bubbles. Butter slime, I knew it wouldn't really make bubbles for me. It's like, tell me, is that almost there? Like, I feel like that. Okay, yeah. So we got, ooh, what if I add a little bit of yellow? Okay, so a little bit goes a long way. So, tiny bit. Yeah, so it is a pretty good slime. I really like it. So, tell me, comment down below what slime I should do next. But that's my slime. I like it. Comment down below what slime you want me to do next. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, hope I feel better soon. But yeah, so that's it for my video. See you guys next video. Yeah, bye.